Alright, here's a quick one. Strophic. What is strophic form? Well, another type of musical form, I guess we haven't really talked about all the other types, but one type is strophic form. Strophic form means that the music you're listening to is based on one simple recurring section with no other changes. The melody is usually sung to the same notes, and the chordal background is exactly the same, and that just keeps going. A good example is a blues. You're going to be doing a good amount of studying this week on a blues. A blues is one of the most well-known strophic forms, and again, by strophic we just mean what is going on in the background and the melody pretty much stays the same. Now, blues doesn't always show that that's what's going on as far as the melody, because there's a lot of improvised parts. But the main melody goes against a 12-measure form. Now, what does that mean? We talked earlier about meter. I'm going to play a 4/4, which, what does that mean in simple English? Count to 4 and you start over. You're going to do that 12 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I think I said 8 where 9 was, so that's kind of a weird thing. Alright, your teacher can't count. Oh well. That form that I just played keeps going while you sing. Maybe you have It's real bright outside. That's why I'm doing this video on the kitchen table. It's real bright outside. That's why I'm doing this video on the kitchen table. Because I got no curtains in my little office, because all I do is practice and work out. Well, we sing the same thing the second verse, but the words are changed. We play and sing the same thing the second verse, but the words are changed. Isn't it funny how blues is so popular when it's not very strange? If we go to a third verse, it's built on the same thing. We're in the third verse, and it's built on the same thing. Getting to the end now, and this will be the end of our blues. Lovely. Alright, not a very well written song, but it went through 3 times. Each time the same 12 measure sequence happened, and since I didn't take any time writing a intelligent melody, the length of what I was singing was not really perfect, but usually kind of follows the same vocal form too in the way it's phrased. That's an example of strophic form. The thing we were listening to earlier, the row, row, row your boat, that's a strophic form. It just continues to do the same thing. Even though it's also a polyphonic song, it was strophic. I believe it's 8 measures long. It just keeps doing the same 8. Alright, so hopefully that makes sense. I hope you understand strophic form.